Hello everyone. This will be our 24th video on how to integrate multi-agent systems with AI for process and efficiency analysts to make their jobs easier.
Hi. You know what's frustrating? All the teams are doing things. But when I ask them how those teams help achieve the quarter's goals, I'm met with silence. It's as if everyone is working in their own little world, disconnected from the overall objective. There's no fluid communication. Everyone is immersed in their own routine, but without a compass to guide them toward the company's future.
This is a more common problem than you might think, and it runs much deeper than it seems. Because when each area loses sight of the overall objectives, a kind of strategic division arises. That's why the multi-agent system includes a subagent that addresses this issue, the Goal Alignment AI.
And what does this AI do?
Its main function is to ensure that every task, every action, and every effort is connected to the company's strategic objective. It assesses the coherence between what is being executed and what is actually sought to be achieved. And if something isn't adding up, it tells you, directly and clearly.
And how do you know?
Because it has full visibility into the system, and that's key. It has access to the defined OKRs with their goals and key results, active projects with their status and those responsible, assigned tasks with dates, priorities, and those responsible, ongoing KPIs with their progress and deviations. With all this information, AI cross-references data, analyzes correlations, and assesses in real time whether what is being done is actually driving the expected results or is just operational noise.
What if you detect that something is not contributing?
It informs you with complete transparency. For example, this team is spending 30% of its time on tasks that aren't linked to any current objective. This duplicate workflow could be unified to increase efficiency. It also shows you where there are redundancies, bottlenecks, and tasks that could be eliminated. And most valuable of all, it suggests smart adjustments. It can recommend reassigning tasks to other teams, pausing low-impact initiatives, eliminating tasks that consume resources with no return, merging disparate processes.
That's key. Because teams often work incredibly hard, but on unproductive tasks. They're putting in the effort, but in the wrong direction.
That's right. And this AI not only tells you if something adds value, but also what objective it's contributing to and to what degree. It can show you the level of strategic alignment of each team, area, or individual. It even allows you to identify high-potential initiatives that were underutilized.
And can this be visualized?
Yes, and very clearly. You have dashboards by objective, where you can see contribution levels by area, team, and person. Historical evolution of alignment. Alignment maps where tasks are mapped to goals and goals to results. You can even see graphically how well each team is achieving quarterly or annual objectives.
What if we change our goals mid-quarter?
AI adapts automatically. It reconfigures itself based on the new OKRs. It reevaluates all active tasks, analyzes their new level of relevance, and tells you what things no longer make sense to continue doing, what urgently needs to be prioritized, what you should accelerate or strengthen.
And does this help the teams too?
A lot, because it's not just you who gain visibility as a leader, they do too. They can see in real time how their work impacts the company's objectives. This improves motivation, a sense of belonging, focus, and of course, bottom-line results. It creates a culture of alignment where everyone knows that what they do truly matters.
Perfect. So I no longer just have a system that executes. I have a system that thinks strategically, adjusts tactically, and ensures that every step contributes to the overall result. That completely changes the way I lead a company.
That's right. And with that, the next logical step is to close the loop. Record, communicate, and align all that effort with the right people. Because no matter how much artificial intelligence you have, key decisions still come down to people. In the next video, I'll introduce you to the meeting bot, which connects key people to make quick decisions with accurate information without wasting time in endless meetings.
This agent might be interesting, since a lot of time is wasted in meetings. Because the hardest part isn't execution, it's getting everyone on the same page. And if there's someone who can help me achieve that, I want to meet them right away. All help is welcome. I'd like to speak with someone first to clarify a few specific questions I have about specific processes for my company. Can you put me in touch with someone?
If you have any questions or suggestions, just contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada on LinkedIn. He'll be able to answer any questions you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay informed about how artificial intelligence can help improve the lives of people and companies.